after dark. Chacha was there. Alisa was there. A lot of people. Many people were there. And we anything but how can I discuss to PJ? PJ, what that I see, who get Benaja JJ Mares. The only thing in this put to put around where only police agage, the police agage. That was it. So, Katie, when you discuss, so, me corona, me mekonage, me mekoya, more a basic come to discuss what this thing in a group. Nana ama bulonya no yan. Ekuram gagba. Ni ge punya hu. Finally the truth apatala. Naomi was there. Naomi would record herself. Did not record. Ya wuru giji direct. I get release ya. DJ, you got to release it. He get release ya. Hey. Oh my goodness.
Group. Recently. Now, before you want to put you fully on a group. That is why.
Amaga this I got the one and I had to sense ya on. Namu puli. The same amato to the phone, no broadcast again. Hey, Jesus. Now, is that how jealousy can eat people's life? Ama, why do you like this? Why are you so? Why is that a frustration? Okay, you want to take it to others? Hapu, yeah, Dick. I will not leave you. Man, bank they claimed it. Zika, ijiri kocha koko, dabe boy oge chinishi. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okama na mofonye bara wama. I wish a lot of people will come out and say the truth. How many people am I pick recall or call and a PJ Gorunwa? When this rumor no Gorunwa, even I'm a baby bam, okay, chinam lazy afima hanya. Niga money who fake pregnancy. She started after Gaga watch Chebe Hatiria. No gate in a map good one yana, says the water say. Nambe faruri till Kamatrana one yan, yeah. Hey. So she started convincing me, Mbapiche good female. She started convincing me, Machiamba. Na PJ na pom. Even when she's taking a bath on her pom. Niya wa female. That's no gate. I'm laying na kala na ye buga female. This snake. This snake. But PJ, I'm not saying it for you to change your mind. Anything about Tona is already over. PJ, my game, you talk to Sister Choma. What Sister Choma? Shia. And when a mama or ya, Shia that he go on. Call her. Or when I Sister Choma, I got to call many. So maybe that will convince and when him game, oh, I can never accept you in my life again. Because he will go there west to me. Opa namuru. When him game, but after some certain people draw her confidence because I'm a big record here. Draw her me when I'm with this and I this 0 minus 0 but even Dr. Fortunate, this idiot was picking up calls, calling people, informing them what do you want to I don't even discuss you. Why would I discuss you? And when I might discuss you, can I pass it? A pass it, I get a PJ. But to my greatest surprise, ye blessing no more. The same way, Oji Rakobuomuna Sharon, Rakobuomuna Nora, Rakobuomuna. Hey! So this is who you are. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. This woman a day for. This woman is very evil. But PJ, him nature mbega be call story him again with Gina Emeka. Me with Gina a lot of people because I mbake home map no, but I need to come out. Because one na come oko. I need to come out. I pity all of you. I pity even ama the trangbawa mo. Nam calculate am bridge she need to be name no me. Number ya me trigini Italy. Now when head cafe be, she started narrating it. Started from Italy. No break me down. No break. I never wanted to share forget you will not notice it. Mwa ama gossip no nye na gossip pa na yo la meku ya na to go jo. I don't cannot even come. No, I get poke ya onya that you can't even hold comfort. Onye mere ha je we. She angry anytime I'm again. And I have pick ke hemu na again ekwu owo mu na enye kontoto. Hey, Jesus. The worst sin onya aja kata pakata. Is that how this life is? How many people keep on a phone go na PJ goronwa? Puro Bible get puta. Oh, behind the because don't you people stay away, around to me. I'm a panomo. Make you do number Sharon in the just a saga talk. I never knew. I never knew. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Hello?
Hello?
Sister, good evening. Get him. Let me see, you need to be grateful to God. Do you know why I say so? Suppose you needed this burial. Do you know what could have happened to you? See, you need to be thankful to God because you don't know what the enemy has planned against you.
Let me block Branskin. Get the fuck out of here.
You don't know what the enemy has planned against you. You be grateful to God. Because you don't know, in my mind, you don't know what could have happened. You don't know what could have happened to you. Just say, Father Lord, I thank you for the oil on my head. That is your prayer point. Nothing like a will take Christmas, but you don't know.
These people don't gather for me.
Be thankful to God. Nothing like a will take Christmas. You don't know what could have happened to you. This when you plan to kidnap Pogi. When you plan to get poison. Be grateful to God. Because only your property, only can do and do. Amma is the snake in all this struggle. And
what you talking about? Big.
And I'm fortunate on there. Can was against you with I'm fortunate. On a day or matter to is what I'm fortunate. Take it or you leave it. But away for PJ, I'm 90 years kid to 70 years. You are disgraced to womanhood. How can you be brainwashed so easily? Important hope on our watch. You be so brainwashed so easily. You put in hope on our why. Are you a daft? On a first guardian wall. The other that the same mama that said you bought a child.
Hello?
The same mama said you're a lesbian.
Yeah, ain't none money. Anamani in a push. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hey. Oh, ị kpọrọ ama ya ya gba gị na n'isi gbara na ịhụrụ ihe na-emeni ya asị gị gịnị?
N'ụzọ nwa ọzọ n'obilivu ya n'akụkọ ọ na-eme na online n'eziokwu.
Okay.
N'ọsị n'ọzọ n'ọmụmụ n'ụzọ nwa ọzọ.
Okay. Okay, gịnị ọwụ iwu gị na ya na-ekwu, right?
Yes.
Okay.
N'ezie na
Here, one of the fans, ndị na-support ya. Ọ bụ onye ọwụ, ọ ma ya n'Italy. Here, one of them. Ọ sị mgbe ihe a na-eme.
Okay.
Ya ha kpọọ ya. Shi ya. Nne hụkwara ihe na-eme na ya shi ya yes. Na PJ zụrụ nwa azụ. N'ihe niile PJ na-eme. Ọ sị m ya were Bible pịa dụọ isi. Ka ọ kwụọ ya n'isi ya.
PJ, you no get sense. You no get sense. Jesus.
Na ọwụna na ofu onye ka o kwuru. When people were calling me, okay, he need defend the but I'm not confirm Ugonia. Stop all these things. He gave me, yeah, this came. Hey, Chineke God.
Mana PJ no want to do amanya ties nanya. PJ amagi ties nanya. PJ amagi ties nanya. Rubbish. Amanya ties nanya.
That this woman ne putara na to go to me actually. I don't even discuss PJ.
She's a bloody liar. She's a bloody liar.
I'm not going to play. Can play China Hama here because hey, talk what day. Hey, what day. There is no cease anything.
I'm telling you.
There is no cease anything. For hours. No, I want to cease anything. Saga, if let there be peace. Wait, okay, now this idiot and Itiama. There is no peace. We will scatter everything. And when we hit the peace anymore, because they deal with this thing. And now to get on your thing to ashe. And we want peace again. There are 2025 they more brutal than that. When are this thing? Fire had a candle, eh? Fire happy to everybody will go into PJ. Anything name about me. Ama, but yo. Thank God for the living people. If you preaching preach, go your way. I don't even want anymore. Let's PJ story. I tell what the word. Ebo Malife. In Malife, you will tell your story. Here me boogie. Branskin International. Why would I insulting PJ? Why would I insult her? An idiot many discussion for over 2 years. Many discussion for over 2 years. You know what? No law in the midnight and I discuss me. Eh? You know what? She no discuss me. Eh? I've been a discussion for these people. Get bring me here for 2 good years. I'm going to Achom ki bia bito story na ebe meka no. Ibia bito story na ebe make achom ki bia bito because there are many things to tell. And when you hear the peace, he don't scatter. He don't question. You guys should bring it the fuck on. Fuck that Amawiti. When I don't give a fuck anymore. What I go? I don't give a fuck anymore. That ain't not sugar. We will scatter it.
I heard as again in the saga Purugawa, Okusaga. But when I now find out that he came out, in the group.
Idiot abịabịa and I'm discussing in a group. This amusu eburu ya n'obi for 2 good years. Buru ya n'obi. Buru m ihe me ekwu, ihe me eche. Nde saga kwuru go okwu. You came out and asked me what I said in the video. Manu kwa gite isempuru. Ge buru ya n'obi. You went and start asking the TT. It's a koroga your own. While all young women broadcast again. Even she was the one that got discussed you with me. Even Yawa, what I'm not discuss about this your fucking pregnancy with me. If she brought that picture. Oh, God, that I don't born a man. Oh, God, that I don't born a man. About this saga, about this problem, we shall see to the end of it. Story, we will tell it. Okay, Makeji story. I get the one. What? How do you like it? Iga like ya. Iga like ya. Iga like ya too much. Akwa mashige potawa. Akwa ya shige potawa. Oh yeah, let me block this idiot. Oh, come comment. Gaga fee.
That confirm what I mean. Yes. Oh, unless you take denialism, I'm on a public now.
Na ige akwara ngisi gị na ihe ahụ nke Benaja ya niile nke Benaja na-ekwu na Ogechi Bellick na that group si gị ihe ahụ nke Benaja na-ekwu bụ eziokwu pot
Ị na-anụ na ndị a bururu m na-akọ na mbere na the group mgbe m berere gị na group owu ihe gbasara ego eme na ego eme hụ share why would you give you money why would you provide police mgbe ọla na-eme ihe you start providing police that we're not going to give it to you ihe m ji bere ya gị na phone anyị nọ lụọ ọgụ onye ọla hang ya phone so this is what amusu na-arụnye. This is what amusu na-arụnye. Oh. Anyway, let me begin the talk.
We know, but because of we know one problem, we do like say we don't even do anything.
Okay.
So I told you. Now, my point is, and when people that respect me, and when responsible people that follow me, and I'm a very responsible cloth. You understand? I know what he told me. Even though that some of them is watching, they now got back to me. That means you wear a mask. You know, there's on our watch, and I talk a man. Now I got to record and look with you. There's no wear a mask to me now. So now I take a this day, happen. So that I can put on that place with Anya Mira today. Now, will you continue? That's what I'm up on the day before. Now, all these people, Baram Saga, all these people borrow me people, it's not their fault. They did it because it came from where I lay my love. Where I lay my love.
How she's directing her blame to me. It came from me. While the same amusu, the same iti boribo evoluzo. Na lama is my pregnancy. Me wa analyze pregnancy to me. The same iti boribo evoluzo. Baba mimbe hahunu ni tili. Tili wa godi ye tili wa. The same iti boribo evoluzo. Baba mno PJ wonyo shinori ye koya. Mwa hatoro ya TV. Nega puta abaya wakwa mwa jiria o. Okwa mwa jiria. Ngone kuna PJ wonyo shinori live fake life. Okwa mwa jiria. Akunu na ane yana. Are you guys hearing that shit? Why are you doing PJ? Akunu na ane yana. Una don't hear them. Baby to mama PJ ashere. Na you started them. Bega chani Italy. Baby to bako wana nyi huno hu. Na this woman not for it yo. Na woki ho pass tarao. Na no kwe gugi kichiri so nta su Igbo. No kwe gugi kichiri me ihe niile. Na woko tumburu ihe even na giri gratis. It got me to PJ life. Would it Bible come and swear on your life? Okay? Would it Bible come and swear? No, we give up Puleku PJ, Piafe Kasarani. Come and swear. I'll give it to the Baba and the PJ and live a fake life. Nia na copan and line and always you. Did I ask you? Did I call you? Now you call me. No, get go me defend them, Maduje, make what I no. Now you go engage conversation. Now you go engage something. Now you go to talk. In Italy, was I there with you guys? Are you not the one to start telling us na PJ Tilieti? The way you're not PJ Nime. Are you not the one? PJ, is she not the one? No. Are you not the one? So, gay lady city body a frustrated bitch. A frustrated motherfucking bitch. Somebody like I got sorry a bikini, I got sorry a tissue, I got sorry a my, I get fit here, I get nearly, I got a full grown ass woman like you. You allow this thing on. You allow one year reason. It is somebody that doesn't even make sense. Complete 10 minutes. You allow her to manipulate your empty brain. Because of getting things you expect from me, you did not get it. You conclude when I just say on a day-to-day conversation. When I just say your day-to-day conversation, I'm not going to pause in your hearts. 0 minus brain can put a woman that is jealous about every Igbo moto. Yeah, okay, I'm not call Sharon fake car, fake Okama. Na fake pregnancy ocean Sharon when a miscarriage. Okama. She liked to scatter and destroy. Oh yeah. But this time around, the Mona got dating. We will go dating. Mona got dating. Am I surprised? You accept them, you pretend. You go nya dojaga jinjim You go nya to chaga jinjim. But ya boy jinjim am I dreaming? Am I fucking dreaming? So Bekina Ezoro, Kichoro Kamti sa relationship na I'm Sharon. Na fortunate. Na make ya sure. Na destroy ya. Shit. Ashimbage. You were jealous. And after that, you became so furious. Somage. It's on everything called Ghana Kegi. I remember when we got problem with this Amaka people. Na Nimi one near. They are your head, definitely happy. And God hekele paramon and Kenya. And when he said, you know, because it's your ego. He was looking for money. Mlechage match ya. And when you are Amaka, that was good because we go. You want them to keep giving you that 200,000. God. Mlechage me for fishy. Shall go the one minus IQ. They play my head. But I just they overlook you. Amaka is a get you destiny help. Nax English him how to qualify. Him had to qualify it a bogano. Mle chapa ma bagenket. Na mane jiki. I'm a sure George. I was just rapping you management. And where I'm problem with Amaka be, I don't have problem. No matter what. Why are you attacking me? Momo came that help you, fed you, clothed you. You chagaja many win break crocodile tears. How many of them brought that idea to help you out of snow? What did you can you go tell them una saga mona again na nwa ge pite again? I get tirio wanye. I get wet our children. I get go you saga monagi I get gweta ana agba shinkete ya na eko iposhe ya de yakushish idiots. I'm not because position Sharon no ke chọrọ ịnọ. Amam no na foge. Amam no na foge. Onye Bekini, look at Arido to lead asu Bekini. Arido to lead asu Bekini. Go to ede. Paul go there so look at yourself. Arida who asu Bekini. Oh to ukumo. You can't keep a job. Even to work a place for 2 good months. And we have no give upon a Sabbath sacrifice in everywhere about you. Nothing. I remember wishing Pia Mapin and Kun. I'm not Kisha customer. I'm not in force. She and I may sacrifice. Yeah, they will go by pain. So that is how you carry people and touch around. Oh, eh? Church when you wouldn't make it. The same church did not give your family. One nigga no we say nothing. I put it from neighbor on a port. But it up on a port and Pajo look at me taking at that hotel. Oh, I'm a human saga monarchy. It will take a very serious destruction. And I was trying. I got MPO last 7 years. But let me finish with PG. Can finish here. What I go? Imashi. Aroshi pakatanka. Abaye shishe jire boya. Abaye shishe jire boya. What I go? Hey, PG, I pity you.
My life, where I lived 7 years, even if I don't have gold and I don't have money to give, but I know the sacrifice I did on the ground where I hang out with people. And all of them watch and they are listening to me as I speak. I'm standing here again to say it's not official that everybody needs now. But I'm Sagamamonya Power, and I have no grudges on them. Even when I realize that now, Sarah didn't call an agamo, but who do not just the one now can cook something. Now realize they are no who can only a koshi. No sugar from me.
So who's on intelligent food koshi? She's from me. Even in Wipa female, Epitorokuana, no fake pregnancy, or one of them. PJ, is that how you are? Is that how you are? Hey, Alliance Ashiriko. Alliance Ashirike. You know, I'm not cheap like Ona. I can also switch and do it, but I cannot condescend on a level. Alliance I can also do it. But Aname Susu. I cannot do Aname Susu. So we female. Let's celebrate intelligent food and do to fake pregnancy. Oshipanakam. Oshinakam. Anyway, yes, PJ. Eba reba for help go. Because he get with ego. He don't have money, but he can spend the money. Hey, one card Igbo. Can play on something because very soon I'm going to work.
We didn't discuss such thing with the person. You understand? And what into this? All the matter into it all come now. I don't know because all put a city kopota with saga.
If you like, you bring a Becca. If you don't like, you don't bring a Mecca. It's none of my business. If you like, you go carry a Mecca. If you don't like, go carry a Mecca. It's none of my business. After all, organ Mecca kukubara buri gum. Organ Mecca plan my money. Yeah? Organ Mecca plan my money. If you like, go carry a Mecca. If you don't like, no carry a Mecca. It's none of my business. It's none of my goddamn business. Hey, what I go? I'm body man. PJ, if you like, bring your grandfathers. I'm not more for my. I can't be about what pataya. I get you here and name.
Before my potassium almost I'll go ready.
I'm not ready for you. I can get that.
Ngozi is out for me. And that's why I make it clear publicly. All of them don't want to explain it. Let me go a little bit far in that Ngozi. Yeah, Saga. After Ngozi ebe onye na watch me dey follow ama. I am sorry. I can either wear my face, make apology, make a special apology. Now, this Ngozi is the woman. Many are not going to put that from hostel, here together, not together in a room before any other people know, but I know natural soul. She has been a sister. We were in the same church together, Mountain of Fire. From there to Redeem, to tell you how close I am with the girl. Then when I was in Canada, then they always communicated with me. They saw me in Ogechi page. She reached out to me. Bitcoin. If I'm not for, please don't quote me. I'm not one of those. Whether I'm a Bitcoin, I will keep it before. I'm just I'm Bitcoin. You're not going to do my brain, but I'm many one for that. No getting a Bitcoin. I know my friend. I'm not a program and or after my program. Well. You know, Canada, man, the fashion show. And one of my lovers here in Ireland, Anna Paco, they were getting up on a page. They were low to that time. Can't have Euro for years because also you didn't that I did not side her. Now side no get no longer get a wife. They boy down for how many years? Even up to now, I had a Ako. Yeah, I made an online 2018. Can't forget. So let me go back. Then Ngozi, where's I'm saying that invest in that Bitcoin. In my head, I'm going to have 2,000. Now I say no, it's too much. You don't know from 500 now. Why you can't? No way in your one. You can't get a job because no, get him out here put off for gas or cushion. So yeah, I got to 2,000 before you that 2,000. I don't know Canada. Sorry, I don't know. I'm traveling to Ghana. I had a house there in Ghana. So now through Ghana, can they say me travel more that time because that house in Ghana that time. So my busy Ghana that time. Yeah, I'm buying a Bitcoin now. We don't get you where we okay, that's me quite invest now. The thing is real money and all that. See, yes, now me during the time I just me travel, I do a close. Yeah, I won't buy may invest another one. My friend, but now I catch a lot of kanga. Then Ngozi invested 2,000, if not dollars, yeah, euros. Because I'm not 2,000. I'm more than $1 or equivalent euro. Now, because they may invest more, may travel Ghana from Ghana. Ghana card more foreign card. They withdraw. You gonna use. I turn a machine. Mommy impressed me. You see the card more. Ma they stranded. The only person I come back close will get back. I be the rainy annual phone. Oh, just imagine 2016, 17. Back I be the raw phone. Ma there's no one but I said, hey, can you get back when I'm this done? Started. So yeah, send there more $200. That suspended me. Then you be an air. Yeah, because what you on uncle, I don't put anywhere. Don't issue with you. Any to came no one to try a macro on him. No shaking. I can never lie for saga. Any day, me actually take a weapon. No, uncle. Can I take a home? Make sure no more. Man, it's as a mona. Came to Taramako Yakusi. Now, my letter back to Canada. I call Ogechi. May I appreciate. See, I said there are more. Account, mama account name can send there 200. Look at us, no. You can you back. But the surprise. If I was telling this to a friend, they follow by him. In fact, that my friend Gaitan last. I can him way fall in love. Him way this love for her because I'm not many are lesbian, many are high. Oh, okay, I said I work all I like him. Nothing. Okay, one way just simba. I hope come with mother before. Then little do I know. No, maybe not because of that ego one I hope may invest and the way we treat it and everything. Maybe she's ready to use that to, compensate me because she know that I stood and I fought and then have no go talk with ready. He may invest. Mom here then a Bitcoin, don't know how it happened, but the only thing is the ego lana. I call story. Mommy ha call the ego people fool. The girl
now. Let me understand. When BitConnect came out, somebody introduced me to that BitConnect. Him against all Bitcoin, I may invest in a BitConnect. For those of you that have been following me then this company, somebody made me introduce Mash, okay, I got involved. Ma put online, oh, ma help it on social media. That's around that period. It wasn't that much. Men poor young people got involved in how they made develop. I put $35,000. Personally, me. I bought Bitcoin. I invested it in Bitcoin. Give me that thing, invest in a Bitcoin. Before people will start believing your business, or give me this is how much I put in. This thing goes on. Contacted me, now gave me invest. Marco Wachana, send their email. Share. This is how you can invest. Yashim Banaya gave Melia. Nam Bikonam Mere. Gemapamentio. She brought her money. Meme channel send their email how to log in. Meme channel everything send their the woman was logging in, checking here. Hey man, but this thing for Duru. Egonyo Ladara. The lady came back to ask me for money. Can you go back to email where this money we are invested? And you didn't give information, you gave everything. You said you don't know how to open it because I wanted you to use your hand. Open it. Just see you can use my referral code. Just what you're going to use is my referral code. And one name, that was it. This thing a mega company. Elo go in on Aptazimagana. Go and check it BitConnect on YouTube and so yes. Technology are advanced now. Go there, you will see it. This woman, Abamu, no get this in a close ma shio hani even my own also we close. Banu sat BP chore piam. I'm going to save $35,000 where I mean invest. And the upper BitConnect jiko. Nda was him. Okay, I'm here. She acquainted him email. Acquainted him girlfriend. Can't you log in and check? Please log go and check. So this is the PG too small for me. Let me open Shigi emails. BitConnect. Talk on here. Everybody that are open BitConnect email. Hold on. Are we here? Are we here now? And one more time for this one. Jabba something. One more time. Come she email me pray for BitConnect. Oh, you here? I all these emails. I'm a man here. Ebe premier for BitConnect. Ndanine me pere at the thing because iPhone will do save backup things. All this email was customers in them me pere. Email pay that email. Get your password. Go in. The thing collapsed. Because in give man a job, he made a business. BitConnect take collapse. The woman na biakwa na mnye ego ya because ebole kam ge shi weta ego nyegi. Don't you know that business is it work or it but the woman she mo kemeti them big money. By that time maybe mu your my dad na no take ego man save. Na no taba na save me were ego ni ne wunye $35,000 and I'm forget that incident. Even PJ na corner they are aware of that incident. All they are aware. Marco Chana PJ banko dishi oh na thank God na yeme ko invest you. Masha PJ go to YouTube check. You can know about that BitConnect because manama okay to where like the money ko who ego me invest. All the kamba was so be apotara. Na mba MMM alofara. MMM alofara. Oh but this we are doing that time to get eriokwe habokwe eriekwe. Opula oh sorry ko bere thank you. Oh, guess what? Bitcoin. Get me invested BitConnect. Guess what? Bitcoin. Because the worst in that in a business. You'd always risk the business. Oh, should you chop them? Okay. Oh, yeah. Hotel I'm sorry. Japan. Okay. One nebo. On your let's see. Okay. Gacha. Ghana awarded all the time. When the website is shut down, okay, I will say the person. Okay, what the person? Oh, Imandebani. Oh, okay, I'm interested. So, because get a woman BitConnect potra food. Go to MMM. We know the picture company name to Lego. Everybody may invest in the thing ye collapse. So if na call Robbie, it's all that's your business. That even if you take me to court today, nothing will happen. because he invested in a business. Email send the because you have to use your email to log in. Get check in gone. My mom in that too. I still lose money. What name? Anna, this woman, madam, how am I gonna give you your money? Let me trouble this woman. Where am? Oh, because Corona Jesus get out of my face.
Now take on inside. Now can't make defend no get money come in here, but you know many things. She dead. Too small from me. Anywhere from here, my home. So all in a way, out. Mother guy, oh, yeah, my around. Oh, you know who called yourself okay, because we believe in American job. But for me, I only say what I feel that is right that time. What I'm my own understanding. Now that was how it made my ask is and they asked him no. They send the Megan for me to.
And the woman didn't get the money. PJ, you are a bloody liar. Ibia Biabam, Nini Drego, on Nigeria, Nero out of cash. And the woman named Kine Biego. I will play a voice note too. Today, leave voice note now. Now, shim because I'm not a gay Ibiri. I'm not the Ikogana wow story. I want to saga is coming. We will expose ourselves. What I go? We will expose ourselves. You always live above your income. That's your problem. You always, and didn't they mean first year and womb, you always live above your income. You carry this. Anyway, go come out. It doesn't matter who's supporting you because they hate Ogechi. I may put the truth. That was not how I gave you the money. You called me. Okay, I'm running out of cash. I'm in Nigeria. Now because I'm chorogi $100. I hold the $200. Me were $200 in Yegi. This is more like butter and he got refund to the money. PJ, got butter. Ain't not for 6 months or how many months. He did not refund me the money. And I did not ask for it. Yeah, one day got warm. You see, the back you should be out. Oh, in na things is difficult. No, you with it. Ni lose go car. Nang papa. Yeah. Ipuso bechana mapa. Ipuso bechana mapa. Okay. Mbe la mapa. And my shizzy give them $200 for what? It was a column, no game car, nay batara, oh, Nina, Chibito, hey, Mashugoke, happy was it the money? It's not a big deal. $200 is nothing. To issue Kunikno, those in Guinea who cannot wash. You are a bloody liar. Oh, yeah, Buzo, okay, man of Biari Shigana, be nege gogi. How many months see batara, batara back, Monacane poor, over how many months? It took you time. The day Mporogapo gave me the common story, kocha. How am I expecting you to give me the money back? How am I expecting equal people on deep Lego Bongo? Listen, in your friends, man, because of you, guys, some of my followers in the head today because in a behavior. Oh no, around me. You go to their impulse to start making the money. How the same people you don't know who they are. Oh, the same Facebook, you don't know who they are, but you can go to their impulse comfortably to borrow money. Oh, I don't know who they are. I don't know. I met them online. But you met them online. You are still going to their impulse, begging for what? I don't know them online. I don't know them online. I don't know them. I met them online. These people that are calling me, but all the same people, you are in their impulse, begging. They have to be calling me. What kind of a human being is face? Yeah? PJ, I check a potter. Even go and call a meta my boy. Poputaya. I didn't ready for now, I didn't overset. In a man apology, just like the man, one apology. And when you really go, and that may so for two tomorrow. My own $35,000. Man, pero putona and one pam for free. The man is safe. We go. I go to reach so. So get block who? Okay, block who? Block who? You want to go? I come to reach so property me pray upon na BitConnect. Because I put on name because someone put on people be me invest. Bear me invest. Na go and Google BitConnect. Na this is John the thing you close through. Go and find out. Oh, what can and I call you. And when it's an chick, and when him pie, when him na kwa, and when him pie, when him. They become a business. Actually, even a business, it must succeed. It must succeed. The other one, when you could go and sit down. Back and I make up one of the agents I introduced. I spoke to guy. The guy should not put you everybody who. I move on. JJ Dala.
You send it back. That I fell in love with her. And now,
fell in love with me.
And it could be Biafra. From there, even man, how they can make a donation, go after, can't remember. Yeah, but for donation, donate here $50. Say they may don't no elephant for number all those stuff. My hand on it, or I can hear him and all of that.
PG, Chene the smart. PJ, Chene the smart. Look at where you're ringing. How you gonna make the nation? Look at how you're ringing. Thank God, Oga Patrick is aware. Thank God, Oga Patrick, William send that money. Look at Isharita. You can never be Jack. I'm getting wise. Despite that, you are my grandmother. I'm still wiser than you. Look at how you're it. You can never find it. And what you be after? Oga Patrick, thank God you are still alive. MC Black. Send that money. I have all the details. OMG should be a fractionary. No. Actually, all through my bank. All through my bank. Come to why I don't need a go. Ejim the chokehold details. I'm a mania. Chere go do chere. Anyhow, okay, chanomia. However, okay, today. Anomia, no your former. What is going on? Yeah. Nah, mommy, hear this thing in me.
All through there, from there, so that money go. Then from there, I now was in Bata from Canada to Ireland, 2019. Now, so much of a show. If I said, this because he had the man. Oh no, my friend, because on a program, man, people now they send them all these pages in it. No, how we are very serious now. Actually, go get can't get enough phone major. I see what is all this going on. Do to know your magoro. I didn't name and one even will get saga small. Ilin Krinkechi, Article 2017, but I didn't. I'm not into it. I'm here and I what I go. So I don't think I think now come that's the battalion full. Say, what is all my watch here 2019, 2020. Just close to 2 years before my papa. But before my papa, 10. Now, I don't make that through all that. I don't make the second stage. Don't worry, we put this 2 stage. Because of us, now they send the email go to Nigeria. No more than Nigeria. Now, go now.
But I just mentioned a watching program. I thought you said you did not watch it. This program, I spoke about this thing before this program. I thought you said you didn't watch it. So how did you get the details I spoke in that program? Why do you guys just lie on yourselves? I thought you said you did not watch it. All this morning, you run a program come through here. Oh, this so how did he? I did not watch it. I did not watch it. People, a few hours ago, made a video that this thing no detail. So how manage is it with all these details now? Why are you guys lying to yourselves? Why are you? Amami hene many. Omu kana ro nu kem nishi. Go see.
I need come on. Can I hurry up? I go. I just left running. Little do I know that this thing came out from the person from my
PJ, my followers you met, you have been their impulse begging them money. I have evidence. Even the people you can hand on an island, they send me. I even forwarded you one of their voice notes. That you should pay them their money. I begin to ask why everybody they. People now, even in a beg, it's a beg, I'm at $50. I'm not lying against you. Come and swear with that you're getting in a fee. All the same people you met online. PJ, I have a thought to say. As we get Potako story, by then the main story will start. I am saying nothing but the truth. You are in everybody in Iboronya, Boronya. They begin to call me. Me. Why would I get arrested in Nigeria? Na gini mene. Because Jama do that idea. When and me arrest na gini mene. Me arrest na gini ko game. And me arrest na gini mene. Because Jama can no na be like this on a comment when get arrested na gini mene. Yeah? Because this woman Igbo. Alright, fuck off. Get the fuck out of here. Hey, what I go? Ian na jugina. The same people you say you met online. Are they not the same people? You are going emboss to emboss. How am I knowing that you're asking them for money? How am I knowing that you are begging them for? Let me tell you, the same Tibori boy Tim Pataka when you put that you a fake life. Dala.
Because you know, I'm
good evening,
find everything.
Look at you in a group. Because I'm a
there's a that time and make COVID. Me problem na France.
Okay.
COVID is the mahalo come there.
Okay.
Na maga apple. Then I can't lost show. Mom say na get me because me go me need me. See me call until mbata he see them there till ma no my 3 I think how many days.
Video
they crumble. The mother say okay to see na all na sponsor here we mu sponsor. Because no get 2000 either 2000 can go or 15 I can't remember around that. Can we make sure make this show. Near back corner as a sponsor. There's somebody no verse, I no comment, I know do like why then this time no they will because in a they will or we will know ye one when we manage make what
PJ. How many times every put here basari Ghana? PJ, otutu na ihe na ego. Abale na otutu na ego. To ana me nyegi because I'm a new you borrow you don't pay back. Many fans say none of my impulse na timpu. Need borrow her motherfucking na ego anyhow. So video made to yaki very clear this thing. In how would the men talk? Don't worry, I get a bit of play with voice. Ebi na ego na complain. Okay, but where I make go? See, today's video is on. Yes. Oh, the papa got that clear. It will more to clear. Oh, bit of be. It can clear. I got your email when you think about. It can clear. I'm from A to Z. Na koiri. Ina koiri. Actually, me brain. I'm on my brain. Hey, I got the one. I'll pass to the issue.
You see how we not tell people that I get a mayor the next 3 days because later I cancel a mayor the 10 effect already. So I have to start.
And one who story PJ and I and I go. Nga fortunate to know Bigala go can hang. Oh. Everybody PJ play go. If you don't have money, can't you cancel this rubbish and what Argentina me? Can't you cancel it? I said bullet 2017 or whatever bullet. Which trouble it? And my reply here on a corner. Very soon I'm gonna get sound because one a caller. PJ, put up your call story G. I'm gonna play a video got to na this city. Rubbish.
To do more things to repay people again. So it was costing me more money. So I know my loss already. So I continue. That magazine engineer is so sponsor. I put OGT NGO.
Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkụ ịbịa ga were rubbish bịa wọdụ onye bịa gị nye m 150,000 nye ịbịara my wọdụ nye hụ m ego na-eji ya na-apụpụchi mmadụ ego na Egechi emere m onye invite kpọrọ m na PJ pụta come achọrọ m ka people mata na ịdị ntị n'iwu na ị na-efe efe enweghị nọgide ime dụkata onye bịa bịara ngwọchi iji ọtụ gburu gị egbu n'azụ ya kpọ onye a ya gwacha people na iso nwa azụ amụ aka ibere nne Chineke kpọ ọkụ na abụọ ọkụ guys make I go bath go work jọọ see you na-akọ ya eri bye bye na arịrịrịrịrị ama ị ga-asọpọtụ ndị mmadụ ka ọ gaa na nke Sharon ga weta picture ga weta ebe Sharon ha bi right but unu atụ ụjọ na mmadụ aga bịa n'Enugu be gị you lied people are coming they are coming ha ga-apịa ekwena that place people are coming you are you know nobody iji support ọ ka aga video ebe ke Sharon ọ ka a ga-eji video nke gị you are lying o ọ saga material continue. People are coming. Oh, because you want to go to Nigeria. You want to run. That you want to go to Nigeria. So people know. We are going, we are marching there majestically. Okay, follow Kalisu son of your life. Because Choma. Live video guys share me. We are marching to your place majestically. I na get there woto. Iga support to cha ka ga na nke Sharon. Ke me ka ruso na nke gige charia biari opic overnight. Come Sean, ne pray get small. We go there fire to fire. Rubbish.